welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to be making some more jeans. So these are the jeans that I'll be working with. I previously bleached them like a long time ago, so they're gonna work out great for me because I need these for tomorrow. So we're gonna go ahead and distress and do a little something to them. I like these jeans, they look nice on me. These are old time mom jeans. I can't remember the brand of them, but they were thrifted. I love thrifted old time jeans because they're very good to work with. Let me get a little closer. I could leave them like this, but y'all know me, I'm gonna go ahead and make something out of it. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. So if you're interested in seeing that, stay tuned and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And let's get into this video. Alright, y'all, so I'm going to be doing a heart design. So we're just going to take this heart and then I'm just going to trace it all around. And I'm going to be doing this throughout the pants. Alright, y'all, so I don't know if y'all can see the hearts or not, but they are on the front and the back. So let's get the cut. Alright, so I'm going to start from the middle. Alright, y'all, so this is how it will be looking. So let me go ahead and finish out the rest, and once it's done I will be right back. Alright, y'all, so far this is how the front looks. I'm probably gonna add some more rhinestones and probably cut it up a little bit more, like in between the hearts. So by the time I come back, then I should have the completed look for you guys. But so far it's looking all right.